Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. To start the process, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Now tap on the paper airplane on your top right. Now refresh the page as you can see the option of Note feature is not appearing on your screen. Then go to your profile. Tap on Menu on your top right. Here tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Business Tools and Controls. Then tap on Switch Account Type. After that, tap on Switch to Personal Account. Tap on Switch to Personal Account. Now refresh your profile page. Then refresh your home page. Go back to the profile. Here tap on Menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and log out of your account. Tap on Log Out. As you can see, your account has been logged out. Now close your Instagram application. Then reopen the app again. Tap on your account. Enter your password. Tap on Login. Now open your messages. As you can see, the option of Note has appeared on your screen. Now just share a thought with your friends. Tap on Share. Your problem has been successfully fixed. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.